what's the best way to get a biweekly yard and turn it into a weekly without losing money?
Are you worried more about losing the money side or losing the customer in general and them just leaving?
I don't necessarily care about that because I'm the legitimate side of my mowing business. That makes it sound like I'm a front for the mafia. Aside from the projects that I do, I'm mowing 2 days a week and I'm at capacity on those. So I'm looking at lawns that I spend more time on. I'm looking at lawns that I'm beat because there's a lot of string trimming and I'm tired at the end of them. And a lot of the ones that I'm seeing that I don't love are bi-weekly. So if it's something where I switch them to weekly and they say, no, I really only want bi-weekly, sorry, that's not going to be the end of the world for me.
Yeah. So what you could do is just align your incentives with the customer, right? So you could say, hey, look, going forward, if you want to continue it bi-weekly, this is the new price due to the increased amount of wear and tear on both our team members as well as our equipment. And if you would like to go to weekly, we can honor the same price. But in order to go at bi-weekly, this is going to be the new price. And so I'd say like half of them will be, okay, just put me on weekly. That's fine. I kind of am annoyed by the clippings anyways, and I want it cut more often. And then the other half are gonna be like, okay, whatever. I'll pay the extra 30, 40% more for the bi-weekly service. And now you don't care as much because you have that much more margin when you're on the bi-weekly cuts.
Got it. So instead of phrasing it as, here's the new price for weekly, just be like, what you're paying now, I can give you as weekly, or if you want to keep it the way it is, here's the increased price.
Yep. And then they can make the decision. And then either way, they have to leave that exchange happy or they're just going to cancel on you. But it ultimately kills two birds with one stone, raises the prices of the biweekly while at the same time incentivizing them to go to weekly. And in either case, you win.